Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Nursing Lectures. Hope you all are doing fine. So today we're gonna talk about the topic joints. Okay, we're gonna talk about the topic joints. So basically, what are joints? Joints are the site at which any two or more bones articulate or come together. Okay, site at which two or more bones joins articulates come together. Okay, so what are joints? Basically, joints are the site at which two or more bones joins articulates and come together. Okay, so human body have mainly three types of joints. If we can classify them, then first we have fibrous joint. Okay, then we have cartilaginous joint, and at last we have synovial joint. Okay, so these are the three types of joints that are present in the human body: fibrous, cartilaginous and synovial. Out of these three, synovial is very much important according to exam point of view. Okay, so we're going to talk about them one by one. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the fibrous joint. Okay, the other names of fibrous joints are immovable joints, and synarthrosis. Okay, arthrosis word here refers to bones. Okay, so what is happening here? The fibrous joint, I always say go with the terminology of the word. So basically, fibrous joint will be related to fibers. Okay, consider this as my bone A and consider this as my bone B. Okay, so joint, the word refers here the articulation point of the two bones. Okay, so yeah, the bones will articulate it, and how they are articulated? By the help of fibers, and hence called fibrous joint. Okay, and they are immovable. As the name suggests, they are immovable joint. Now think fast about those joints in the body which are least movable or which do not have any mobility at all. Okay, so basically we have sutures. सूचर्स हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं लास्ट वीडियो में. अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. जल्दी जल्दी जाके वो पहले वीडियो देखना एंड देन कम हेयर. ओके, सो सूचर्स बेसिकली स्कल है हमारा. उसके बीच में आपने कभी ह्यूमन स्कल देखा हो, नहीं देखा, फिल्म्स में देखा होगा, तो उसके बीच में आपको ऐसी लाइंस दिखेंगी. दीज आर बेसिकली व्हाट? सूचर्स. कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ बोन्स आर सूचर्स. ओके, and other example is gomphoses. Now how you are going to learn about gomphoses? Gom will relate to gum. Okay, gums. So basically we have gums and the teeth are embedded in it. They are very strongly, there are hardly any movement. Can you move your teeth? Look in the mirror and move your teeth. Can you move it? No. So basically these are immovable joints, and you cannot move your bones of the skull. Can you do it for me? No, na. So basically they are immovable joints. And which joints are very much immovable? All the fibrous joints in the body are immovable in nature. They do not allow bones to move. Okay, so come to the next part, which is cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint. Okay, what are the other names of this joint? Are slightly movable joint, and amphiarthrosis. Okay, as the name suggesting, cartilages will be present, cartilage structure will be present here. Okay, so what will happen, consider this as my bone A and as this my bone B. So what they are joining with the help of cartilage. Okay, so yeah, this is cartilaginous joint. Okay, cartilage provides little bit flexibility to the bones, hence they can slightly move. Okay, so what are the examples? Tell me fast that which joints of the body are slightly movable. Okay, here we go with our first example, which is sternum and ribs. So basically, sternum and ribs, the area where they are joined together is with the help of cartilaginous joint. Okay, so they are connected with which cartilage? Hyaline cartilage. Okay, if we're going to talk about the second example is pubic symphysis. So basically, what is pubic symphysis? The female pelvis has a butterfly shape. Okay, so yeah, here where the two pubic bones connect with each other, this area is known as pubic symphysis. Okay, so which kind of cartilage is present here? It is fibrocartilage which is present here. Fibrocartilage. Okay, so this is cartilaginous joint. Now come to the third part, which is synovial joint. Now we have synovial joint. Okay, so this is very much important according to exam purpose, because it further has many types. Okay, so what are the other names of these? Freely movable joint. Okay, and diarthrosis. This is the third name or second name for this joint. Okay, so basically, as the name suggests, they are freely movable. Okay, and why they choose this name, synovial? Because there is the presence of synovial fluid in between the bones, which helps in the freely movability of that bones. Okay, consider this as my bone 1. Okay, and consider this as my bone 2. Okay, this will be my bone 1 and this will be my bone 2. So basically, tell me fast that how two bones are connected, with the help of tendons or ligaments? The answer is ligaments. Okay, ligaments joins one bone to another bone. So basically, here present the ligament will join it. Okay, ligament will join these two bones. Okay, now it will have an inner membrane. Okay, the bone will have this, ligament will have internal membrane. Okay, this area, region. Okay, so what we call it? We call it as a synovial membrane. Synovial membrane. So now what is the function of this? This will produce synovial fluid, which will help in the freely movability of the bone. Okay, here is synovial fluid. Okay, here is our synovial fluid. So like this is the bone, this is the bone, then extremities or the endings of the bone terminals, or we can call it bone endings, there is an cartilage present here, just on the bone endings, like this. Okay, we call it as articular cartilage. Articular cartilage. ओके सो में आ गया 5 नंबर का नोट है, आपको साइनोवियल जॉइंट पे लिखना है, ठीक है। तो आप पहले लिखोगे अदर नेम्स फ्रीली मूवेबल, डायआर्थरोसिस लिखा, बोन का स्ट्रक्चर बनाओ, आर्टिकुलेट कार्टिलेज, साइनोवियल मेम्ब्रेन दिखाओ, ठीक है। Synovial membrane will release synovial fluid which helps in the freely movability of the bone. If they ask you about the characteristics of bone, that articular cartilage, synovial membrane, these ligaments, these all will cover under the characteristics of the synovial joint. Okay. And why it is called synovial? Because synovial fluid is providing freely movability between the bones, so hence the name is synovial joint. Okay, so now come to the types of the synovial joint. If you want to learn types of synovial joint, there is a mnemonic for you, because I am very much fond of mnemonics. So here it goes. Bhaiya writes in Hindi with pen, but sadly they are going to condemn him. Okay, so this is the mnemonics to learn synovial joint. Bhaiya writes in Hindi with pen, but sadly they are going to condemn him. Okay, so here it goes. Bhaiya B will have ball and socket joint. Okay, from B will get ball and socket joint. Then we have H. From H we get hinge joint. Okay. Pen. From P we have pivot joint. From sadly we have saddle joint. From condemned we have condyloid joint. So these are the 6 types of synovial joint. Okay, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, condyloid joint, saddle joint, hinge joint. Okay, one missing. From G it will go gliding joint. Okay, so yeah, these are the types of synovial joint. Bhaiya writes in Hindi with pen, but sadly they are going to condemn him. This is the shortcut if you want to learn it quickly. First we have ball and socket joint. As the name suggests, there will be a ball and there will be a socket on which the joint shape lies. Okay, so this is the most freely movable joint in all of the synovial joint. Most freely movable joint is the ball and socket joint. Okay, so basically the head of the bone is a ball shaped. Consider this is a ball shaped, and it articulates with a cup shape like this. Okay, this is like cup shape, so it will articulate with a cup like socket type of shape of the bone. Okay, so yeah, this is hence called ball and a socket joint. So this is the most freely movable joint, and we can say that we can move these bones without any restriction. There will be no restriction in the movement. Okay, examples में हमारे पास आ जाते हैं shoulder and hip. You can easily move your shoulder. You can do all the movements like flexion, extension, adduction, abduction, rotation and circumduction, everything. ओके अगर आपको जो भी साइनोवियल जॉइंट्स की मूवमेंट है उन पे वीडियो चाहिए सेपरेट, तो जल्दी से जाके कमेंट करो और मुझे बताओ, फिर जल्दी जल्दी मैं इस पे वीडियो पोस्ट करूँगी विद निमोनिक्स. ओके, हिंज जॉइंट. ओके, विच इज हिंज जॉइंट. There will be a little bit restriction on the movement because it is occurring only in one plane. Only one plane movement. goes with your knees. Okay. अब मैं कैमरे में तो दिखा नहीं सकती, बट यू कैन, मैं कैमरे में तो दिखा नहीं सकती बट आप करके देख सकते हो. नी को आप पीछे की तरफ मूव कर सकते हो, जो नी के नीचे वाला एरिया उसको पीछे की तरफ मूव कर सकते हो, बट उसको आगे की तरफ मूव कर सकते हो नहीं मूव कर सकते हो. ठीक है. जैसे दरवाजा है, दरवाजे को आप एक ही साइड मूव कर सकते हो, तो इट विल ऑल्सो बी एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द हिंज जॉइंट. ओके. सो व्हेन द मूवमेंट इज ओनली इन वन प्लेन, देन कौन उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा? हिंज जॉइंट उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा. अब एग्जाम्पल्स आप खुद सोचो क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. अभी मैंने बताया नी, एंकल, ओके, एंड जॉइंट्स बिटवीन phalanges. Okay, so yeah, these are the examples of hinge joint. Now come to the third one, which is gliding joint. So gliding joint is providing us less movement. Okay, it is providing us less movement. So basically, as the name suggests, one bone will glide because one is a curve shape, other one will glide over it. Okay, so yeah, there will be gliding movements. Okay, but there are no other types of movements between them because it is very restricted, as it is less it provides us less movement. Okay, so now if we talk about examples, example is between the carpal bones in the wrist and the tarsal bones in the foot. Okay, so carpals and tarsals. Okay, so carpals and tarsals are the examples. Okay, now we come to another part of the synovial joint, which is pivot joint. So we have pivot joint. Okay, it allows rotatory movement. कंसीडर कि आप जिन जिन बॉडी के पार्ट से आप नो मूवमेंट कर सकते हो, किन किन से कर सकते हो? हेड, अपने हेड को नोड कर सकते हो, ना 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 जैसे करते हो, है ना, बिटवीन रेडियो अल्नर. ओके, द जॉइंट इज पाइवेट जॉइंट. ओके, दोज हु डू रोटेटरी मूवमेंट्स विल बी पाइवेट जॉइंट, हेड, रेडियो अल्नर जॉइंट. ओके, सो या, नाउ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट अदर टाइप्स. Condyloid joint. Condyloid joint. Okay, so it is flexible but less than बॉल एंड सॉकेट, बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू बॉल एंड सॉकेट कौन से होते हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा मूव करते हैं साइनोवियल जॉइंट्स में से. बट कॉन्डिलॉइड है, फ्लेक्सिबल है, बट उतने नहीं जितने कि बॉल एंड सॉकेट है. ठीक है. जैसे कि फिंगर है आपकी, ये फिंगर घूम रही है, हाँ घूम रही है, इधर जा रही है, इधर जा रही है. ठीक है, बट इट इज नॉट एज मच एज फ्लेक्सिबल एज योर शोल्डर्स और हिप बोन. ओके, सो या एग्जाम्पल आ जाएगा इसमें मेटाकार्पल्स एंड phalanges के बीच का जो जॉइंट है, दिस. ओके, अब बात करते हैं लास्ट सैडल जॉइंट के बारे में. एज द नेम सजेस्ट, कभी घोड़ी पे बैठे हो? घोड़ी पे तो वही बैठे होंगे जिनकी शादी होगी, तुम तो छोटे हो, तो घोड़े पे बैठे हो कभी, तो उसकी जो सीट होती है वो सैडल शेप की होती है. ठीक है, तो ये भी जॉइंट हमारा ऐसी ही शेप का होता है. एग्जाम्पल की बात करें इसमें, तो ये हमारा किन किन के बीच में होगा? जो हमारे कार्पल्स हैं. कार्पल्स कौन से हैं हमारे? phalanges, मेटाकार्पल्स, कार्पल्स. कार्पल्स ये रहा हमारा. ठीक है, और हमारा किसके बीच में है? ये मेटाकार्पल्स ऑफ द थंब. तो मेटाकार्पल्स ऑफ थंब ये रहा, तो ये ऐसी सी शेप बन रही है, ये वाली, ये एक सैडल की तरह शेप बन रही है. तो या हियर इट गोज, इट इज बिटवीन कार्पल्स एंड मेटाकार्पल्स ऑफ थंब. ओके, सो या these are the types of joints that are present in the human body. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want video on any medical topic, जाके फटाफट comment करो and मैं उस पर जल्दी से जल्दी वीडियो बनाऊंगी. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.